Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make schedule live on Instagram. So for example, if you make any live videos and if you want to make it schedule, then you can easily do this thing. So you need to tap on your Instagram application. So I'm just going to tap here, and then you're going to see your profile page or home page. So what you need to do, you need to tap here the plus icon on your bottom side, and after that you have to select the live option. You can see it's live option, and after that you can see the schedule. Simply tap here, and you can see you can give the video title here, and after this is the main thing is start time. Simply tap here, and then you can see choose a time between 3 months from today and 1 hour from now. Then you can select which month you're going to make it schedule, and this is the hour, and this is the minute, and this is PM or AM. And after that simply tap the done and schedule live. If you click here, then after that this schedule video will be published. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.